Math contest problem number 30. Area of quadrilateral given 4 points. In square ABCD with side length 1, E is the midpoint of AB and F is the midpoint of BC. The line segment EC intersects AF and DF at G and H respectively. Find the area of quadrilateral AGHD. So we have here the illustration. Okay, so this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and for F we have 1, 1 half because this one is the midpoint. This is 1 half 1 because this is the midpoint. So these are the coordinates of these points. Now using 2-point form to get the equation of the line AF, 2-point form, using 2-point form, we'll get y is equal to 1 minus x squared. So that's the equation of this segment. Next, to get the equation of DF, we'll use again 2-point form and we'll have y is equal to x over 2. For EC, the equation is y is equal to negative 2x plus 2 EC. So using 2-point form, using the 2 points, the coordinates of the points. Now to get the coordinates of G, this one, this is the intersection of AF and EC. We'll equate AF, the equation of AF, and the equation of EC. And we'll get 2/3, 2/3. So these are the coordinates of G. To get the coordinates of H, this one, the intersection of DF and EC, we'll equate the equations of DF and EC. We'll get 4/5 and 2/5. To solve for the area of AGHD, this one, the quadrilateral AGHD, we will use this formula. Again, AGHD using the coordinates of the points. Coordinates of the points. Of the 4 points, AGHD. So we have 1 half, then 0 times 1, 0, 0 times 2/3, 0, 2/3 times 2/5, 4/15, and then 4/5 times 0, 0. Minus, so this is how we operate this formula. Minus 0 times 0, 0, 1 times 2/3, 2/3, 2/3 times 4/5, 8/15, and then 2/5 times 0, 0. So we'll add this and we will add this and then subtract. We'll get the absolute value of negative 14/15. So this one is the absolute value, the symbol for absolute value. So the absolute value of negative 14/15 is 14/15 times 1 half, 7/15. So that's the area of this quadrilateral.